Okay, guys, this is where we left off. It was me hassling Ben because he hadn't been hassled today and he needs it. All right. Okay. Use the array. Okay. There we go. Oh, that really helped. What? You know what I'm saying? Ben, I just got rid of all the work. You and I are going to work on this together. Do you agree that this says f of x is equal to x squared? Yep. Now this problem says, you know what? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to find f of some other stuff. Okay? And when we take that other stuff, we're going to plug it in to the function. So instead of writing x, which is what we had over here, right? Okay. We're going to replace this stuff with g of x. You see that? We took x out and we put g of x inside here. You know what? I'm actually even going to write it in a different color. That may help us see it. So we took x out and we put g of x in here. Okay? Now g of x is just the name of the other function. It's saying we want you to plug in g of x to this equation. All right. So now, instead of writing the name of the equation inside here, we're going to actually write down what the function is. And g of x is equal to 3x. So I'm actually going to put 3x in here. It's not its name anymore. It's the actual function itself. I'm plugging the function in. Okay? And now, again, instead of g of x, I'm going to put 3x in here. So I just replaced, it's telling me, don't plug in a number for x, plug in an entire function for x, and then simplify it. So f of 3x is equal to this thing simplified, 3x times 3x, which is equal to 9x squared. Okay? Now let's leave that there for the moment because you know what? They're asking us to do it again, but for the other one. Now in the other one, they started us off with g of x is equal to 3x. But they've said, you know what? What we want you to do is we want you to do g of something else, not g of x. I'm sorry. But what did they replace x with in the problem that they want us to solve? F of x. Okay? So I'm going to put f of x in here. Right? But that's just the name of the other function that they want us to plug in. Right? What does that function actually equal? Ben?
3x?
No, f of x.
Oh.
What is f of x? It equals x squared. So they're saying, you know what? What we want you to do is, we want you to plug in the actual function. So x squared. So that means it's going to be 3 times, not f of x, but 3 times x squared. So g of x squared is equal to 3x squared. That's the second answer. This was the first answer. Okay? Now, quickly, any questions about this one? Yeah, CC.
Are there going to be a lot of these on homework?
I don't know. I haven't looked at the homework. I mean, I looked at it, but I just don't remember. Let's see.
At the very end.
At the very end, like numbers 45, well, just number 45. Okay. Okay. What else? Max? Because we got a few seconds before I have to stop this one. How does f of x equal it? They just told us it does. It could have, where does it say that? At the beginning in the problem. It says f of x equals x squared. Make sense? Okay. All right, guys, I'm sorry. You only have 1 minute left. So I guess we're not going to start on our homework, but we can chit-chat. All right, good job, guys.